Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. To take a screenshot on this watch, we need to basically set up a shortcut for it, a hotkey. To do it, we need to press and hold the Up/Menu button to open the menu. Then we need to scroll down through this menu, find the watch settings and tap on it. Then we need to scroll down and find the system option and select it. And now we need to select the shortcuts option. And here we have the list of different shortcut combinations. Find the one you like for your screenshot option. Let's say I'm going to select back plus up. So this one and this one. Select it and then scroll down and find the option called the screenshot. Once you find it, select it. And now I can take a screenshot by pressing and holding the back and up buttons. Like this. And you will see the message screenshot saved to Garmin/screenshots. And to access your screenshots, you need to basically connect your watch to the computer with the USB cable, open it on your computer, and there will be a folder called screenshots, and you can view your screenshots there. And basically that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.